Hi, I'm Mark with MSA, and this is the new Fas-Trac III ratchet suspension for MSA industrial helmets. The Fas-Trac III ratchet suspension was designed with the input of hundreds of users and includes many upgrades. Before using the Fas-Trac III suspension, you should read the product warnings and instructions to ensure you understand how to assemble and use the product. Use only the proper MSA suspension in your MSA helmet. Using a mismatched size or a competitor suspension will compromise protection and may result in serious injury or death. This is the MSA Fas-Trac III ratchet suspension for MSA industrial helmets. The MSA Fas-Trac III provides comfort, retention, and stability. Let's go through how to install the suspension into the hard hat. To install the suspension, turn the helmet shell upside down. Turn the suspension upside down with the sweatband in front, the crown straps toward the shell, and the ratchet upside down at the back of the shell. Make sure the sweatband is folded over the headband as it would be worn. Fold the support tabs toward the headband. Snap each support tab into its corresponding slot on the helmet. You should feel and hear the tabs snap into place. As a hard hat wearer, you probably already know that when the back of your head and your forehead are under pressure, a compression headache is sure to happen. The Fas-Trac III suspension helps prevent the discomfort of headaches in two ways. One, the rear lug attachments are flush, eliminating pressure points. And two, the integral sweatband covers your forehead completely, eliminating pressure from an exposed headband. Thank you for joining me to learn more about the Fas-Trac III ratchet suspension and some of MSA's above-the-neck protection products. To learn more, please visit us at msasafety.com or call MSA Customer Service at 1-800-MSA-2222.